Elon buys thousands of GPUs for Twitter's generative AI project. Their ChatGPT rival. He's like, hey, man, I was there early days. OpenAI. I know how to do this stuff. It's a big deal. Just give me some GPUs.
Forget about GPT. Forget about Bard.
I know these guys over at NVIDIA. I can buy GPUs, too. I got money. Despite advocating for an industry-wide halt to AI training, Elon Musk has reportedly kicked off a major artificial intelligence project within Twitter. The company has already purchased approximately 10,000 GPUs and recruited AI talent from DeepMind for the project that involves a large language model, reports Business Insider. Shout out A1GTV. Appreciate it. One source familiar with the matter stated that Musk's AI project is still in the initial phase, obviously. However, requiring a significant amount of additional computational power suggests his dedication towards advancing the project, as per another individual. Meanwhile, the exact purpose of the generative AI is unclear, but potential applications include improving search functionality or generating targeted advertising content. See, everybody thinks that that AI makes you immediately the everything, ultimate, capable tech company. Like, you heard, did you hear any of that interview, Lex Friedman with OpenAI?
Sam Altman?
Yeah. You watched some of that?
Yeah.
The man's walking around like he's Google right now. He's walking around like he's Google right now.
Yeah, the way that he talks, the way that he presents himself is very almost godlike in a sense. I don't know if it's just him or like him being like a CEO of like an AI company. He's very deliberate with his words.
But also
and just very careful as well.
But also like emanating the power that comes with it, you know?
Yeah.
Like
yeah.
the delivery is so, I guess, very dangerous. Very dangerous. And you're like, no, you're the one working on it. You know, like no confidence. Just that you get this. I don't know. It is. But anyway, he is putting out that like he understands the disruption element here and the scale and scope of this thing, and so does Google. Hence Bard, etc. It's kind of like a reset button for whatever that race was for information delivery on demand. Like search goes away and is replaced by this eventually. And who's the leader? It can be anyone now. Mm-hmm. It's a reset. We're starting fresh. And so other guys with some cash and other companies get a chance to say, well, I'll take a crack. Now's the time.
Yeah.
We're all going to figure out really quickly who gets to own. And obviously, OpenAI has a massive head start, and Elon has his own history with them. So, yes, if you wanted Twitter to become the everything thing, if Twitter was going to become the app, if Twitter was going to become Facebook and Google combined, what would you do? You'd start working on generative AI. You'd start signing up eToro. You start adding all these things. Mm-hmm. Very ambitious, though, at this moment. Extremely ambitious. This clip you just watched is sponsored by LaterCase. If you have been looking for an impossibly thin case to put on your brand new smartphone, you need to check out LaterCase, available for both Android and iPhone. Check the description of this clip in order to get a special offer.